Hello, good day. In this video and tutorial, we'll briefly look at what you see on the screen on sets. We'll be discussing over sets. We'll just discuss about dictionaries. Now, what actually is a set? A set in Python is a data type that looks like a dictionary and it also looks like a list. But a set is not a dictionary, neither is it a list. First, let's start by initializing our set to know how to initialize, how to create a set. Then we'll distinguish that from the dictionary. So as you can see on your screen, I have a blank Python shell. Now I'll call this a underscore set. I can initialize a set using the keyword sets. This will give an empty set. If I do a underscore set, I get it as a set, an empty set. Alternatively, I can initialize the set using the curly bracket, like in the case of a dictionary. But there is a difference between the dictionary and the set. I can do this. Now, in the dictionary, we know it goes with a key value pair, but a set doesn't have a key value pair. A set just have the values. So I have 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. Good. I have this as my set. That is my set. Good. You can look at it as a list, but it's not a list. So I've showed us two ways we can initialize a set. Now, if we go back to the first method, we can initialize it and we can declare and initialize it. We're asked to or to have an iterable. If in this situation we make an iterable, let me do this 1, 2, 3, 4. At my iterable, I have my sets. I've made my sets. I can also make that instead of a tuple to be what? A list. And I have my sets. So these are the ways we can initialize a set. We can declare a variable as a set. Now quickly let's look at what is the difference between a set and a dictionary. If you can recall, I initially told you that a set does not have a key. It only has values. Though both are declared using the curly brackets, but in dictionary, when we declare a dictionary, we have it this way, same curly brackets. Then what are we going to have? We have the key, maybe A, then we have the value. But in the case of a set, we don't do that. We just declare it as a set without a key, but just with values 1, 3, 2. So we have a set and a dictionary. This is the difference between a set and a dictionary. And you should also know that if you want to use the keyword, use dict to get a dictionary, or use set to get a set. Now, what's the difference between a set and a list? We have this as our list. Good. This same value, when we declare it as a set, a underscore set, We have it with the curly braces. One, two, three, four, five, five. Good. Same values as a list and as a set. But when we look at the return, not at the input value, but the return value, look at A underscore list, you have the values. Or you look at A underscore set, you have a difference. Set always returns the unique values in an iterable. If you have an iterable and you want to return only the unique values, it returns it. Then that can take us back to maybe when you are doing data wrangling practice and you have so many names and say return the alphabetical first name. So you have to sort it in a situation where the names appear multiple times. You set to return the first name. So this we've seen is the difference between a list and a set. Now let's quickly look at the method or the directory of sets. Then we'll see that these are the method or directory of sets. We can use this for sets: union update, difference update, copy, add, clear. In the next video, we'll be using some of these methods. I'll show you how to use them. And also, like I always do when I start with a new data set, we also look at the help of set. Let's see what Python has to tell us about set, built an order collection of unique elements. Good. That reminds me, set has no order. Set has no order. You can let's go up, let's go. Let's see this. Okay. You can call this set again and you have a different order. Remember, we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. It eradicated double 5 because it returns only the unique values. Now, set has no order. Sorry, set has no order. It is unordered. Uh, what is this? Is this? It has no order. If in some situations, as you keep on doing it, you see that the order will change. It has no order. Now, in a list, you can use a underscore list, and we can get a underscore list of 3 and gives us 4. Can we also do this in sets? No, we can't do that because set has no order. Set has no order. To get the value of set, you have to use a technique which is called hashing. That will be discussed in a subsequent video. But set has no order. Now you look at it, Python makes us to understand that there are different methods in sets. And when you look at these methods, you'll be able to get a brief explanation of what these methods can do. So please, in the next video, we'll be looking at some of the methods and we'll explain them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and react. Feel free to react. Always comment and share for us to know how to serve you better. Thank you and do have a nice time. Bye bye.